Simple maths, sharing and dividing. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Sharing flowers. What if you had 9 flowers and 3 vases or vases? How could you divide them equally? First, you put 1 flower in each vase. You still have 6 flowers left. Then you put another flower in each vase. You still have 3 flowers left. Put another flower in each vase. Now all the vases have the same number of flowers. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. You divided 9 flowers into 3 vases. Each vase or vase has 3 flowers. Sharing cars. You and a friend have 6 toy cars. How many will you have if you share them equally? You start by taking 1 toy car. There are still 4 cars left. You keep taking 1 car each until they are divided equally. You each get 3 toy cars. What would you do if you had 7 toy cars to share with your friend? Each of you would get 3 toy cars. There would be 1 left over. What should you do with the extra toy car? You could give it to another friend. You could save it until you have another one to share equally. Practicing dividing. Dividing is useful when you need to share a group of things. When have you divided things? Biscuits. Oh, muffins. Yeah. Quiz. You have 8 pencils. How many will there be in each of the 2 pots? Make sure each pot gets a fair share. The divided by sign. You use this sign to show that you are dividing one number by another. 4 divided by 2. When you divide 4 by 2, you get 2. Equals. You use the equal sign to show what 4 divided by 2 is equal to. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Sharing and dividing. Sharing flowers. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Sharing flowers. What if you had 9 flowers and 3 vases? How could you divide them equally? First, you put 1 flower in each vase. You still have 6 flowers left. Then You put another flower in each vase. You still have 3 flowers left.